Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating because there's no need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides quickly and evenly. And because they're separately controlled, you can select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. Then, simply take off the pizza, slice, and serve. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. When families are on the go, the Pizzazz Plus helps get meals and snacks on the table fast. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, and even cookies and cinnamon rolls. Delicious! The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. Get one today.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-in Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-in Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
the team behind Swanky. The design is finished and we are about to start production. Now we need help to bring Swanky into your kitchen. Back us and don't let it sink.
The Emulster salad dressing mixer is the easiest way to mix and store your own homemade salad dressings. You can use one of your favorite recipes or choose one that we've included on the bottle. There's balsamic vinaigrette, Greek salad dressing, and a honey mustard vinaigrette. When making something simple like the balsamic, pop the top off the emulster to fill with your ingredients. Once you've filled the emulster with your ingredients, replace the top and pull the trigger. The stirring stick blends automatically and easily. When the dressing is fully mixed, pull the top up, but not off, to pour easily and without any mess. For storage, push the top back down and toss the emulster in the fridge until next time.